Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. Before watching this video, subscribe my channel and share this to your friends. The topic is mean deviation about median. Check my previous video for mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about median is equal to summation modulus of d divided by n, where modulus of d is equal to modulus of x minus median. N is number of observation. This is for individual series. When it comes to the frequency distribution, mean deviation about median is equal to summation f modulus of d divided by n, where mod d is equal to mod x minus median. N is equal to total frequency. Coefficient of mean deviation about median is equal to mean deviation about median divided by median. Calculate mean deviation about median and its coefficient for individual series. For finding median, we have to write the given data in ascending order. 39, 46, 52, 75, 82, 93, 97. Median for individual series is size of n plus 1 by tooth item, where n is equal to number of items. Here the number of items are 7. This is equal to size of 7 plus 1 by tooth item, size of fourth item. Here the fourth item is 75. Median is equal to 75. Next we have to find mean deviation about median. For that you have to frame the tabular column x and mod d. Mod d is nothing but mod x minus median. Here median is 75. Now write all the x values: 39, 46, 52, 75, 82, 93, 97. Mod d is 39 minus 75. This is equal to 36. 46 minus 75. This is equal to 29. 52 minus 75. This is equal to 23. 75 minus 75. This is equal to 0. 82 minus 75. This is equal to 7. 93 minus 75 is equal to 18. 97 minus 75 is equal to 22. After finding mod value, you have to take the total. This is equal to 135. Mean deviation about median is equal to summation mod d divided by n. Summation of mod d is 135. N is number of items. N is equal to 7. This is equal to 19.29. Mean deviation about median is equal to 19.29. Coefficient of mean deviation about median is equal to mean deviation about median divided by median. Mean deviation about median is 19.75. Median is equal to 75. 19.75 divided by 75. This is equal to 0.2572. Coefficient of mean deviation about median is equal to 0.2572. Next one, discrete data. For finding median, you have to calculate cumulative frequency first. The x values are 4.5, 14.5, 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, 64.5. Now frequency is 1, 5, 12, 22, 17, 19, 4. Total frequency is 80. Next we have to find cumulative frequency. First value is 1. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 plus 22 is 40. 40 plus 17 is 57. 57 plus 19 is 76. Then 76 plus 4 is 80. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Size of, here n is equal to 80, that is size of 80 plus 1 by 2th item, that is size of 40.5th item. Median is equal to size of 40.5th item. In the cumulative frequency, 40.5 comes under this category. So the corresponding x value is median. Median is equal to 44.5. So median is equal to 44.5. Next we have to find mean deviation about median. For that we have to find mod D. Mod D is equal to x minus median. That is x minus 44.5. X value is first column 4.5 minus 44.5 is equal to 40. 14.5 minus 44.5 is 30. 24.5 minus 44.5 is 20. 34.5 minus 44.5 is 10. 44.5 minus 44.5 is 0. 54.5 minus 44.5 is 10. 64.5 minus 44.5 is 20. Mod D is an absolute value. Next we have to multiply f with mod D. 1 into 40 is 40. 5 into 30 is 150. 12 into 20 is 240. 22 into 10 is 220. 17 into 0 is 0. 19 into 10 is 190. 4 into 20 is 80. After finding f mod D, we have to find the total. Summation of f mod D is equal to 920. Mean deviation about median is equal to sigma f mod D divided by sigma f. Sigma f mod D is 920. Sigma f is 80. 920 divided by 80. So mean deviation about median is equal to 11.5. Coefficient of mean deviation about median is equal to mean deviation about median divided by median. Mean deviation about median is 11.5. Median is equal to 44.5. This is equal to 0.2584. Coefficient of mean deviation about median is equal to mean deviation about median divided by median. Here the value is 0.2584. Next one, continuous data. First we have to find median. The values are x, mid-x. X values are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Middle value for x is 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Frequency is 4, 6, 10, 20, 10, 6, 4. The frequency is 4, 6, 10, 20, 10, 6, 4. Next we have to write the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 6 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. So the total frequency is 60. In the continuous series, first you have to find the median class. Median class is equal to size of n by tooth item. Here n is equal to total frequency, that is size of 60 by tooth item. Median class is equal to size of 30th item. In the cumulative frequency, 30 belongs to this category. So the corresponding class interval is the median class. Median class is equal to 40 to 50. Now median is equal to L plus n by 2. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into C. L is lower limit of the median class. L is equal to 40 plus n by 2 is 30 minus cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 20. Frequency in the median class is 20. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 20 divided by frequency in the median class is 20 into length of the class interval is 10. Median is equal to 45. Next we have to find mod D. Mod D is equal to x minus median. Here the median is 45, that is x minus 45. 15 minus 45 is equal to 30. 25 minus 45 is equal to 20. 35 minus 45 is equal to 10. 45 minus 45 is equal to 0. 55 minus 45 is equal to 10. 65 minus 45 is equal to 20. 75 minus 45 is equal to 30. Multiply frequency value with mod D. 4 into 30 is 120. 6 into 20 is 120. 10 into 10 is 100. 20 into 0 is 0. 10 into 10 is 100. 6 into 20 is 120. 4 into 30 is 120. After multiplying f with the mod D, you have to take the total. Summation f mod D is equal to 680. Mean deviation about median is equal to summation f mod D divided by summation f. This is equal to summation fd is 680, summation f is 60. This is equal to 11.33. Mean deviation about median is equal to 11.33. Coefficient of mean deviation about median is mean deviation about median divided by median. Mean deviation about median is equal to 11.33 divided by median is equal to 45. Mean deviation about median is equal to 11.33, median is equal to 45. This is equal to 0.2519. Coefficient of mean deviation about median is equal to 0.2519. Here I discuss how to find coefficient of mean deviation about median and its coefficient for a individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.